Hello people, welcome to my new video, the 3 photo sharing sites to make money. Now we all know apart from Instagram, we can't make money from sharing photos on Pinterest and Facebook. However, you can on Instagram, but there is a way of selling your photos on Instagram, but that's just for another video. Now in this video we're going to be looking at Getty images, iStock photo and Clickasnap for making money. Now obviously this, like any other process, takes a lot of work and a lot of effort and consistency, which is true with every kind of making money online scheme. So it's not a get rich quick system. So anyway, enjoy. Now first off, we're looking at Getty images. Quite a fantastic website actually, with some really high quality photos on. This app has been around for quite some time now. There is a way of uploading photos to this site, and to make money with this site. It's a mother company of iStock Photos, so and it has been around for quite some time. On this site, prior to getting your photos ready for selling, they have to be reviewed by their team. And as I've said before, they're a really reputable company. They have been around for many years, and it's again part 1 of 3 of great photo sharing sites in order to make yourself a little bit of a side hustle. So why not utilize it, and why not use it? So just go ahead, download the app and see what it can do for you. And now we're going on to the second one, which is Clickasnap. Now this website has not been around for as long as the other websites mentioned. Now with this website you can earn for every person who views your photo. Okay, it's not a massive amount of money, it's about 17 cents or something that you earn per photo viewed by somebody. But you know, this can mount up, and people have made a lot of money using this website. You know, if you've got a good portfolio on this website and you share it, you know, amongst various different social media sites that you have, such as Pinterest, Instagram, you know, LinkedIn, or anywhere like that, you know, over time, again, what I've said before, consistency, you know, you can get these photos viewed. And also on this website you can also sell your photographs. So, and I think you can withdraw the money, I think after $15, I believe. So it's quite, you know, it's a good site. And I mean, what have you got to lose? I mean, as a side hustle, you know, it's a good way to start, really. I think it's quite a fantastic website. Now we'll be reviewing iStock Photo, a very popular website which has been around for quite some time. You have to go through the review process again, like Getty images with this website, and you have to be at it week after week and be very persistent and never give up. So thank you for watching my channel, this video, and please like and subscribe, and check out the notifications in the description.